Everyone has been talking about YouTube Shorts lately and how effective they are now. Even though I know YouTube Shorts have huge potential, nobody wants to get out and film them ourselves. That's why today I want to share with you one simple trick to make money using those YouTube Shorts without actually having to film them yourself. It is because honestly the CPM over there on the YouTube Shorts, it's just pennies. It's not worth it. And then finally, without actually investing any money, so we can do this for absolutely free. Now for those of you that don't even know what Shorts actually are, well, it's basically just a copy of TikTok videos or Instagram Reels. It's a vertical video up to 60 seconds with the hashtag Shorts. Lately, they've been blowing up on YouTube and are now considered the algorithm glitch or hack to get a ton of views in a short period. So, if you're excited about this, make sure to drop a like on this video. Leave a thumbs up, and comment down below on what you want to see next. Now let's begin with stage number 1 out of 4, which is finding the right shorts. You will just need to think about the niche you want to focus on. Just think about something that can actually go viral, so it should be in the entertainment niche. For example, funny cats. Funny animals in particular, or weight loss and fitness. But mostly I recommend you focus on entertainment because those videos have a huge potential to go viral in the short space. So, for example, I can go to the search bar, and I can now search for like funny cats or even just funny compilation. Let's go with funny animals for the sake of this tutorial. I will search for funny animals and that's going to be my niche now. Don't worry, you will not have to record your cat. You will not have to record any animals or whatsoever. As I said, you will not have to record anything because I'm going to show you a simple trick on how you can get those shorts done for absolutely free, so you can actually use them and monetize your videos as you prefer. So, you will search for the niche whatever you want to focus on, whether those are funny animals, funny cats, weight loss and fitness or whatever it is, you search for that and hit filters right here, and you want to filter your search by Creative Commons. That's actually going to give you a license to re-upload these videos. No. Don't worry, you will not have to just re-upload these videos on this channel just like that because it will not work, and it obviously isn't a shorts video. These are like 5 or 10 minutes long and they're not in a form of a vertical. Sure, so just stay with me and I will explain to you exactly what needs to be done. If you want to make this work, so for now just find some video that you think has the potential to go viral so you can go through all of these compilations. And if you can find some clips inside of these videos that you think would go viral, or it would get a lot of views, then just save it up. I will for instance open this one and I will take a look at it. As you can see, it even got 8 million views under the Creative Commons license, which means I can re-upload it to my channel and I have the potential to get a pretty decent number of views. People are loving these videos now. You will need to copy that video URL by clicking on the share button right here, click. Then go over to Google and search for YouTube to MP4. Find some YouTube to MP4 converter so you can download this to your device. I personally use this on it1s.com. It worked the best for me, but you can use any other you prefer. Just paste in your link and click download, and in just a couple of seconds, it's going to be onto your computer. Stage number 2. Turn Creative Commons videos into shorts. In order to do that, you would obviously need some complicated video editing software. You would need to pay for it and whatnot, so instead of that, I actually found an absolutely free alternative. That is super easy and simple to use, and you can turn any of those Creative Commons videos into actual shorts which you can then re-upload to your own channel. So, what you will need to do is you will need to head over to canva.com. Yes, you can actually use Canva for this. Go over to canva.com. Register for absolutely free in less than 30 seconds. They do have some pricing plans, but they don't bother buying or paying for anything. You can do this free of charge with no investment whatsoever. So once you come over to canva.com, they obviously do have different templates which you can use for different Instagram posts, Instagram stories, logos, and whatnot. But you only want to focus on the video right here. So, select video and then select mobile video because that's what we will be creating. We are creating YouTube Shorts. So, select that and that's going to take you over to this editor right here. Now the next step, which you will need to complete, is here on the left hand side you have the upload button. So you want to select uploads, Go to videos, click on upload media and just upload that Creative Commons video which you got from youtube.com earlier. Once you upload it, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, for me it's 5 minutes long. I obviously want to make it shorter, but first of all, what you want to do is you will need to click on the video. It's going to show, right? Here now you want to adjust the size of this video, so I will make it maybe something like this. So I want to hide the black bars on the right hand side. So I'm going to hide that by doing this, and I will also leave divide space right here, or you can change the color. Of course, if you want to make it black, gray, red, pink or blue, whatever you want it, I just like it to be white and I will leave it like this. Because in those wide bars we will actually put in some text that's going to help you make money, so make sure to leave some space at the top and at the bottom of this video. Now obviously our shorts cannot be 5 minutes long, so what you will need to do is only to cut this video and adjust it to find the most interesting parts that you think would be the most effective ones and will get the most views. Find that part and then cut the video. You just need to click on right here where you have this cut icon. So just click this and start cutting the video. So, let's say, for instance, I only want to use the first 30 seconds just as an example. Click done. And now here are the shorts. Here are the 30-second shorts which now I can use. But before I start using it, and before I re-upload it to my channel, I will need to add some text at the top and at the bottom. You actually want to create a call to action for people to click the link in the description of these shorts. Because you will not be making money from ads, so you need to create a call to action so they can click on some links in your description, and I will tell you which links to actually use in order to make this effective. So, you can select any of this text. I will for instance use this one because I use it in some of the previous videos I was making with Canva. I will make it a little bit smaller and I'll for example type, click the link in the description, or click the link in the description. I'll put it right here. I will then duplicate it, and I will put it at the bottom as well. Now, if you'd like to, you can also add different elements, different stickers. For example, I'm going to type an arrow. Let's try to find an arrow. So, for instance, use this one. I'll make it a little bit smaller, and I can also put this optionally just so it looks a little bit better, so something like this link in the description. So it's a huge call to action right here, and I can also animate this if I want. There is an animate button, so you can definitely just play around with all of the different features that are available in Canva. I'm not going to go way too in-depth with this, but you will be able to see how simple it is to use all of these features and to just customize it and create a nice looking short. So as you can see, this is my shorts. It's 30 seconds long. We have the call to action right here, and now I can save it up to my computer by clicking on the download button right here. Just click on download and it will be onto your computer in a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's downloading to my computer. Stage number 3. Upload the video to YouTube and optimize it properly. Okay, so before we get to stage number 4, which is the monetization part and how you will be making money off of those YouTube shorts, you will first of all need to upload that video which you downloaded from canva.com. So go over to your YouTube channel, click select files, double click on the video, wait until it loads. Now you can give it a nice title. Make sure it's something worth clicking on. So, for example, I'm going to type in the funniest cat ever or something like that, depending on what your video is about. Of course, I will also add some emojis, because people in this niche actually love emojis, so I will try to find some cats. Let me just find it real quick. Yeah, something like this. I think this is a cat. I'm not really sure, but I think this is a cat, and I will of course put the hashtag shorts. So, the title will be, The Funniest Cat Ever and hashtag shorts. For the proper description optimization, I will copy this, and I will also put it at the top of the description, so the algorithm is going to pick up those keywords. Besides that, I will also type a brief text about this video full of the keywords. They will hopefully attract the right people. Now you will not have to create a custom thumbnail for this. You can just select the one that YouTube has generated for you, because YouTube Shorts do not need a customized thumbnail. It's actually working better if you don't have a thumbnail, so people will recognize it. We'll just leave it like that. I will hit next. I can also add an end screen and add more videos to promote at the end of these shorts, because if you can get them in that marathon over watching your shorts, then that's actually really powerful. So as soon as they watch that first shorts, if you have more shorts on the end screen for them to pop up so they can click on them. This is effective, but since this is our first shorts video, I obviously don't have anything to put on the end screen, so I'm not going to do that. I will just skip it for now, and now I will be able to publish this to my YouTube channel now. Right before you actually publish this, you will need to go back and put some links in the description, so that you can actually monetize this video and so you can actually earn something from these shorts. Stage 4. Monetization. Now you can of course promote anything you want in the description of your videos, whether that's an affiliate link to some offer from ClickBank, Amazon, or something else. Whatever you want to promote, you can promote it in the description of these videos because you have a call to action created with Canva for those YouTube shorts. But what I personally like to do is I actually like to sell print on demand using shorts because I think that's actually going to work the best for this niche. So, in order to do this, I will go over to Teespring, and this is already teespring.com. This is a print-on-demand website where you can actually upload your design and sell a lot of different merchandise with their design on, and you can sell it for absolutely free. They will just take a portion of the profit. And it's actually not a lot at all. If you sell a t-shirt for like $20, they will take around $10 and they will ship the t-shirt. They will create the t-shirt. They will print the design on the t-shirt and so on. You literally just need to upload the design and then put the link in the description of your YouTube shorts. So let me show you how simple. There's going to be a sign-in button, and once you sign up, it's going to tell you to start designing right here. You can click on Start Designing, and that's going to take you over to trending products and trending categories, and you can see exactly what you can sell with a Teespring. You can even sell digital products from recently. You can also sell t-shirts. You can sell leggings, pillows, towels, posters, stickers, backpacks, hats, and so on. There's a lot of different products which you can design with teespring.com. I'm just going to use a classic man t-shirt just to show you an example of how simple this is. Now you can also start designing right here. You can add different text or even add an image, and you can even create a simple design with Canva and then just re-upload it over to Teespring. It's what I recommend you do. So spend like 10 or 15 minutes crafting your design. Make sure it's something really nice that people will actually buy and wear themselves, and then upload that image or add that text. You can even get an idea from Google, so you can simply go over to Google search for like funny cat t-shirts and then take a look at what other people are doing. So for example, I'm going to use this one, or Real Men Love Cats, and I will go back to Teespring page and I will either type in the text or create a design with Canva. I'm just going to do it real quick by adding text. I will also change the font. Obviously, it's not going to look really good now because I'm doing it really quick just to show an example of how simple it is. You can of course customize it, play around with different designs and create something that actually looks nice, and added different shapes, stickers, and so on and so forth. You can play around with different designs. Set the price here on the left-hand side. As you can see, if it's selling for $26.99, your profit is $10 per t-shirt you sell. You do not have to have an inventory. You don't have to print anything or whatsoever. You literally just create this design. Once you put the link in the description, and that's all you literally need to do. Each sale makes you $10 profit. You can of course increase this by setting the price to something bigger, like $28, and that's going to give you $12 profit, but I will just go with $26.99 per t-shirt. If I sell 10 t-shirts, that's $100. If I sell 1,000 t-shirts, that's $10,000 in pure profit. So now continue with one click of a button. You can add the same design to all of these different products, but I will just continue with one simple t-shirt. I will give it a name. So, for example, a real man, I will give it a description. I can create a URL if we want to, and I will just publish my listing. Now you can copy the link that takes them to this store where they can actually purchase this t-shirt. So, if you copy this link, it's going to take them over to this page. As you can see, it already looks really nice. So this is your own store which you can customize and put as many products as you possibly can, because the more products you have, the higher chances of getting more sales. You will have obviously don't only create one t-shirt and obviously put a little bit more effort into crafting the design. Make sure it's not as bad as mine, and with that link, you will just need to go back to your YouTube channel and put it in the description. Create a nice call to action and put the link over there. Now what's also optional, but highly recommended is to shorten your link using Bitly. So, in order to make your link shorten speed to just go over to bit.ly.com, paste it right here, click on shortened, and now it's going to look a lot better. Now I can copy this, and instead of putting a long boring link I can just build this short Bitly link, which is also going to take them to the same page where they can purchase the t-shirts. And now I can publish this, and once again the more of these shorts you publish the better, and the more products you created, that the more offers you promote, the higher chances of getting more sales you will have. So just test around different niches, different titles, different call to action. Playing around is going to be a fun process of making money online, and it can actually turn into something big because these shorts tend to go really, really viral. So, if the algorithm picks up one of your shorts, it can actually get a lot of views, and from those views you can make a lot of money, a lot more money than if you were just running ads in those videos. Because by running ads, maybe for 1,000 views you will get like 5 cents or something like that, because shorts have a really low CPM. But instead of making 5 cents per 1,000 views out of those 1,000 views, if just 10 people buy the t-shirt with $10 profit per shirt, you will make $100 instead of 5 cents. So there's a lot of different ways you can monetize these types of videos. Just don't be lazy. Go there, take action, and take advantage of YouTube Shorts while they're still hot. That's the final step that we need to complete. Leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then do yourself a favor by clicking that red subscribe button with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.